Children, let's start the next chapter today, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. Till now you have completed chapter 8, chapter 9, both you have done, right? So today we are going to start with coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry, you know coordinate plane? In the coordinate plane you have axis, x-axis and y-axis. This is plus x, this is minus x, plus y and minus y. And suppose you have any two points at any point, how can you find the distance between these 2 points? Suppose its coordinates are x1, x2 and its coordinates are x1, y1, sorry, and its coordinates are x2, y2. So how will you find the distance between these 2 coordinates, x1, y1 and x2, y2? This we will do in the coordinate geometry. Here we will be dealing with the position of the points, the distance between their points, the location of other points on the in between those lines. Like we will be concerning with the coordinates. Suppose if we are finding area also, that also we will do with the help of coordinate. Means in this coordinate plane we will be dealing with the lines which will be connected with the coordinates. Clear? So suppose you have x1, y1 and x2, y2, these are 2 points, and I say you to find the distance between this point A and this point B. So how will you find the distance between A, B? It will be root x2 minus x1 ka square plus y2 minus y1 ka square. The distance between 2 points A and B will be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So let's proceed with the questions. Other concepts I will tell you. The basic concept of this chapter I will tell you in the Google Meet. Let's start with question number 1 directly. In question 1, first question, find the distance. There are 4 parts in first question. I am doing 1 out of it. Find the distance between the points. And suppose points I am taking, last 4th part I am doing A, B and minus A, minus B. And we have to find the distance. You know, this is x1 coordinate, this is y1 coordinate. Always first point is x1 coordinate, this is y1 coordinate. This is x2 coordinate and this is y2 coordinate. Now distance between 2 points. For this we will use distance formula. And what is the distance formula? It is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is x2. x2 is minus a minus x1. x1 is a whole square. Now with sign plus y2. y2 is minus b minus y1. y1 is b on the whole square. It will be minus a minus 2a ka square plus minus b, it is minus 2b ka square root. What is square of minus? Plus 2 ka square 4 a square plus again minus ka square is plus 2 ka square 4 b square. This is root. Take out 4 common out of it. A square plus b square. What is the square root of 4? it is 2 root a square plus b square. Square root of 4 is 2 and that 2 I have taken it out. It is 2 root a square plus b square. Is this clear to all of you? Any doubt? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In place of x2 and x1, y2 and y1, you will put the values and we will solve it. Clear? This is very easy question. Now come to question number 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. You have to find that, suppose this is point A, this is point B. You have to find the distance AB. Same distance formula you will use. Distance formula. And what is that? Root. Every time you will write first formula, then you will solve the question. x2 minus y1, sorry, x1, x2 minus x1 का square plus y2 minus y1 का square. This is root x2, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. What is x2? 36 minus, what is x1? 0 whole square plus, what is y2? 15 minus, what is y1? 0 whole square. Now, what is the square of 36? 36 minus 0, 36 का square plus 15 minus 0, 15 का square. Now, what is the square of 36? Square of 36 is, it come out to be, I think 1296. And square of 15 is 225. Clear? Add up. It come out to be 1, 2, 5, 1. So this distance PQ AB, sorry. AB is root 1521. What is the square root of 1521? 3 3 the 9, 6. Take this pair down. Double of 3 is 6. Clear? Now let's check 6 9 the 54. Let's check it by 9. 9 9 the 81, 8, 54 and 8 62. Yes. So square root of 1521 is 39. So AB is equal to 39. Is it clear? Again, the formula is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square on the whole root. x2 is 36 minus x1 is 0 on the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 15 minus 0 का whole square. It come out to be 36 का square plus 15 का square. 36 square is 1296 and 15 square is 225. Add up 1521. 1521 square is 39. So AB is 39 centimeter. Clear? Its second part is also there. You will see in section 7.2. It's very easy. 7.2 section. The points are 40 and 50, I think. 50 and 60. So you will find the distance between those 2 points. Come to question 3. Come to question 3. Determine if the points are 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 11. Minus 2, minus 11 are collinear or not. What is the meaning of collinear? What is the meaning of collinear? 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11. Collinear means collinear points are those points which are on a straight line. Collinear points are those points which are on a straight line. So suppose this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. AB plus BC should come equal to CA. A, B, C. AB plus BC should come equal to CA. Because if AB plus BC less than CA or greater than CA, in that case they can't be collinear. But this is a very logical simple thing. If this plus this is equal to this, only then the points all are lying on the same line. Clear? So let's find AB. Let's find BC. Let's find CA. Please see this question carefully. See this question carefully, okay? The distance formula is x2 minus x1 का square plus y2 minus y1 का square. Take B coordinates x2 y2 and A coordinates x1 y1. x1 y1, x2 y2. So now tell me, what is x2 B coordinate? 2 minus x1, this is x1 y1, x2 y2. x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 का square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 का square. This come out to be 2 minus 1 का square means 1 का square. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 का square. It come out to be 1 का square 1 minus 2 का square 4. It come out to be root 5. Clear? Now let's find BC. Again same formula. BC. For BC, B point is written first, तो इसके coordinate ले लो आप x1 y1 और C point is written later, तो take its point x2 y2. It will be root x2 minus 2 minus x1 minus 2 का square plus y2 minus 11 minus y1 minus 3 का square. Clear? It come out to be root minus 2 का square minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 का square 16 minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 minus 14 का स्क्वायर माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस 14 का स्क्वायर इज 196. It come out to be root 6, 6, 12, 2 carry 1, 10, 11, 1 and 2. Root 212. Is it clear? Now come to CA. When you take CA, C is written first, x1, y1 and A point will become x2, y2. It will be root x2 1 minus x1. तो minus x1 is minus 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस y2 5 minus y1 is minus 11 का स्क्वायर. It come out to be 1 minus plus 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 minus plus 11 का स्क्वायर. It come out to be 3 का स्क्वायर 9 and 11 plus 5 16. 16 का स्क्वायर इज 256. 256 plus 9 5 6 2 root 265. Look at here, AB plus BC is not equal to CA. AB is root 5, BC is root 212. It can't be equal to root 265. So when this possibility is not there, then you can say कि A, B, C are not collinear points. They are not collinear points. Is this clear to all of you? Any doubt? What you will do? You will find AB distance taking x1, y1, x2, y2 these points. You will find BC distance x1, y1 और इसको लोगे x2, y2. You will find this distance and then you take CA. CA के लिए C you will take x1, y1 और A लोगे आप x2, y2. You will find this. कंडीशन होनी क्या चाहिए कोलिनियरिटी के लिए कि AB plus BC should be equal to CA. But here AB you are getting root 5, BC you are getting root 212 and CA you are getting root 265. This addition is not coming equal to this. So these 3 points are not collinear. Is this clear to all of you? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please you can write to me personally in my personal window. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is also very easy. Determine, you have to check whether 5 and minus 2, 2 and 3 and 7 and minus 2 are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. You know, in an isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Clear? So let's find 3 sides. Suppose this point is A, this point is B, and this point C. You will find distance AB. find BC, find CA, and check any two sides are coming equal or not. In case if any two sides are coming equal, you will say yes, they are the sides of isosceles triangle. And if two sides are not coming same, you will say no, it is not an isosceles triangle. Clear? So let's find AB. For AB again formula is x2 minus x1 का square. Again and again I am writing formula so that you also have the habit of writing it again and again, and you need not any extra effort to learn it. Clear? There is no extra effort will be required in case if you will be writing the formula again and again with the questions. AB, this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 2 minus 5 का square plus y2 3 minus y1 minus 2 का square. It come out to be 2 minus 5 minus 3 का square plus this is 3 minus minus plus 2 का square. It come out to be minus 3 का square will be 9, 2 plus 3 5 का square will be 25. Add up, you will be getting 34. Clear? Now let's find BC. For finding BC, you will use same formula. This is B and this is C. X2 means 7. Then now this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Okay. 7 minus x1 2 का whole square plus y2. y2 is minus 2 minus y1. y1 is 3 का square. It come out to be 7 minus 2 5 का square plus minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 का square. 5 का square 25 plus 5 का square 25. It come out to be root 50. Clear? Now let's find CA. For CA, you will take this x1 y1, this become x2 y2. A point बाद में है तो ये x2 y2 हो जाएगा. Root x1 is 7, x2 is 5 का square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2 का square. It come out to be 7 minus 5 2 का square and it come out to be minus 2 plus 2 because minus minus plus it will become, right? It come out to be 0 का square. Clear? Any doubt here? Okay children, here I have done one mistake, and that mistake is I have changed the statement. Statement I have changed. Points I have changed. So what we do for it? Let's consider the concept, and this question 4 I will be doing in the Google Meet. Concept I am just making you clear. 2 का square is 4 plus 0 it come out to be root 4, that is 2. So here this is AB, this is BC, and this is CA. Clear? AB plus BC, AB is not equal to BC, not equal to CA. All three sides are not same. So these are not sides of isosceles triangle. Clear? Here beta, again I am saying you, this is not question 4, I have changed the statement here. Check whether this and this are the vertices of the isosceles triangle or not. Let this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Find out AB, then find BC, then find CA. If AB is this, root 34, BC I have got root 50, and CA I have got 2. If any of two sides are coming equal, then these are the sides of isosceles triangle, otherwise not. Here no side is coming equal, so these are not the side of isosceles triangle. Twin question of this question, this one, I will do in the Google Meet. Clear? Have a nice day.